Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. We're down 1.3% on Friday. As for the 1 hour chart, we're in negative MACD territory, and if we expand that further onto the 4-hour chart, we have the MACD still remain in negative territory, and we still are resting right along the 200 moving average, which is acting as our support, and that is around a price of $26.79. If we expand that further onto the daily chart, what we have here is we have the 9 moving average diverge onto the 18-day moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. So there is downward momentum, and that is also seen in the daily MACD as it approached to negative territory. So at the moment, what we see is a possible support level being the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, and that will be around a price of $24.88. On the other hand, if we do reverse higher, the next resistance will be around $28.38, as indicated back in September 1st. So if we do move up higher, that price movement is roughly around, say, 4.8%, and to the downside, that price movement is roughly around 7.8% as well. For the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV. For my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be $23.18, which is this range right there, and that also coincides with the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. My sell target for my long will be $25.90, and my stop loss will be $22.25. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, that will be $26.62, which is this range right there, where we encounter past resistance levels that dated back to August 10th as well as September 1st. And for my sell target, that will be $24.18, and my stop loss will be $27.69. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 50% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 7%, and on the extreme case to the upside, 8% chance to climb between 7% to 14%. On the other hand, to the downside, we have a 33% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 7%. And for the extreme case, to the downside, an 8% chance to fall between negative 7% to negative 14%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.